So bad, go to walking down the street. Oh yeah, me and Shawty got a meet. She's so bad, she ain't even got to speak. Swear she got it from her head to her feet. Makeup on fleek, her hair on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, her nails on fleek. Yeah, Shawty on fleek, Shawty on fleek.
Hair on fleek, her nails on fleek, eyebrows on fleek. Ooh. My nails ain't done. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be getting these nice, cute, beautiful curls. Like, look at these curls, seriously. I'm also going to be showing you a way that I learned to maintain my curls or to maintain my bleach hair. This hair is from Longqi.com. I was sent this hair in 2022. Literally the best hair that I've ever had. But that's enough of me talking. I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, get your curls on fleek. This is what we're working with right now. We have some like old curls from probably 4 days ago. As you can see, they're still really good and cute, but we're gonna be refreshing them up. The very first thing that I do is I always moisturize my curls with the oil because my hair is bleached. This hair is literally amazing. I've bleached this hair like 3 times. It's still a little bit like dark, but you know, it's still very, very good quality. For the color that I did get, you know, some hair like turns into plastic after you bleach it too many times. I took a little bit of the oil of your choice, of my choice. I'm using the growth oil. Of course, this hair is not going to grow, but I'm just going to rake it throughout my hair. I love these curls because it gives me that nice, pretty, like summer look, and then the color just adds to it, so it's like really, really pretty. I mean, I don't blame this hair from getting a little bit tangled because I don't put anything on it at night. You would think that this hair would be in like worse like state than what it is right now. First thing that I'm going to do after I put my oil on it is I'm going to comb it all out. I like using a wide tooth comb because it just helps with the breakage, and it just makes it look better because it makes the curls bigger. This curl could last for a week. This hair is that good. This here, I don't know if you guys can see it. You probably can't even see it because there's not even enough hair to really see, but that was 5 days worth of shedding, and I slept on this hair probably twice out of those 5 days. I'm chilling today, y'all. Last video I was lit. If you did not see my last video, go check it out. I'll post it in the eye somewhere right here. Alright, so this is what the curls are looking like as of right now before we recurl it. Again, this is 5 days worth of curls. I did touch up these curls a little bit yesterday in the front, but definitely not the curls at the bottom. This is what they look like. To get these very pretty curls, the first thing that I do is I do split my hair like this, because this is how I like to wear my hair when I pull it all forward. So I just split it in half so I can know that this hair will go this way and this hair will go that way. So I just throw one side to the back. I like using this kind of brush. It's kind of dirty, but you know, I like using this kind of brush just so I can part it, make sure you get everything nice and smooth, because this is a frontal that I have on, so you know, you want to make sure your hair is very, very, very flat. I just take my little section right here. This is how big I like my sections to be in the front, because I like for it to, I don't know, gradually get bigger. Smaller in the front and then bigger at the bottom. Here is the wand curl that I'm going to be using. This is just a $15 wand curl from Walmart that I got. I like it. It worked perfectly fine. I may invest in a more expensive one, but as of right now, I'm just going to keep rolling with this one. So I like for my curls to go away from my face. I don't like for them to be going towards my face, if that makes sense. So what I like to do is literally I measure it with my eye. I like for my curl to kind of start at my eye, so when it drops, it looks like this one a little bit. So yeah, starting it by my eye, I want these to be a little tight, so just wrapping around the barrel, kind of going smaller and smaller as we go. You'll see more what I mean when I go through more of them. So yeah, I hold it for 20 seconds or more depends on how well the wand curl is. And look, so pretty, so pretty. I do about 2 more of those. After I do those 2, I start to get bigger, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those 2. Pretty 3 little ringlets. Now it's time to gradually get a little bit bigger. So up in this section right here, I want to be going just a little bit bigger, and then in this section I'll be going a lot bigger, which means higher up on the barrel. So I'm going to swing this to the back, and then we're going to probably create 5 curls out of this. Again, we're going to go a little higher up on the barrel. I'm going to go like right here on the barrel. And I'm still going to do the same exact thing. So as you can see, this curl is a little bit looser than these 3 right here. We're going to repeat this about probably like 3 or 4 more times, this size curl, and then we're going to go even bigger. So we still have this last back section to do. I went ahead and I secured this side of my hair just so I can work on this side and not blend either one of these curls. I'm going to go ahead, slide this one to the back, and go ahead and take out a small section. Again, not too small. Here it is. I have my neck section right here. This is a little bit bigger. It's not that much bigger, but what I am going to do is going to make sure that it's thoroughly combed out or brushed out, however you want to say it. But as you can see, I hold my hair in a way that I have some from the top of my head and some from the bottom of my head. That'll create a little bit more volume as I do curl it, so when I comb it out, they'll fluff up a little bit more. So these are the curls that we want to be a little bit bigger. So we're going to start a little bit more at the top of the barrel. I would say about right here is fine. I'm going to do as normal, wrap it around. Okay, so which curls do you like better so far? Do you like the loose curls or do you like the Goldilocks curls? What I do want to mention is that with the other side, it's a little bit more hard to do this side because I'm right-handed, so it's easier to hold my right hand and just loop with my left hand. Well, on this side, I'll show you better than I can tell you. So again, we're going to start out with those little parts, very teeny weeny parts. I'm going to hold the wand in my left hand and hold it down like this, so the curl can wrap around the barrel in this way. And there we have it. So I'm going to go finish this and then I'll be right back. Okay everybody, so here is my curls. They looking good. They looking fresh. I love these curls. Literally, I love this hair. Like, I can never sell this wig. I would never sell this wig. Anyways, if you want to leave your hair like this, you definitely can. I choose not to because I like a little bit more of a... If my camera can focus, yeah. I'm ready to work this magic. We're about to do this, so let's go. Here it is. I have a big white tooth comb right here, and I'm just going to use this to comb my curls out. And literally, it's the simplest thing ever. Okay, so I backed up a little bit so you all can see. And I'm literally just going to rake this through my hair. Watch this. Seriously, look at how much volume we got just from combing it through a very little bit. Let's go ahead and work this magic on the other side. And me, what I like to do, I like to comb out. I don't like to just comb down. I like to comb out and create that body that I want. Okay, my love, that is going to be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like me and my channel, please subscribe. Go check out my previous video. Click the bell. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and peace.
She's so bad, she ain't even got this piece. Where she got it from her head to her feet. Makeup on fleek, her hair on fleek, eyebrows on fleek, her nails on fleek. Yeah, shawty on fleek, shawty on fleek.